Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag video featuring my Jacquemus Bambino. I did a video, my last video was an unboxing of my new baby, so if you haven't checked that out, please go do so. But today I wanted to show you guys how much you can actually fit in here, because in my video I told you guys that people were complaining on like the price of the bag. You can't fit that much, but today I'm going to show you guys how much you can actually fit in this bag. That actually surprised me as well. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so here she is in all her glory. I love this bag so much. So the first thing that I can fit into my bag is my phone, of course. And actually, before we get into what's my bag, this bag is 23.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters. If I'm wrong, I'll put the actual measurements on the screen, but yeah, so it is a pretty decent sized bag. So the first thing that I'm gonna put in is my phone. That goes in very easily, like so. You guys can see that. There it is, right there. And then the next thing I'm going to be putting is my wallet. This is the new Balenciaga and Gucci collab that I will be doing an unboxing of this soon, or if I haven't already. I don't know what video I'm going to post first, but yeah, that goes in there very easily, right there as well. And then I'm going to, of course, put my mask in there, because you never know, wherever you're going, they want you to have a mask on. And then I'm gonna put my headphones that my dog chewed up, but they still work. And then I'm gonna put my chapstick right in there. So this is how it looks so far with everything in there. And then I'm gonna put my hand sanitizer, of course, right on the side here. And then my vaccination card, of course. And this bag has like a little pocket right here, if you guys can see that. So I'm just slipping that right in there. And then last thing is my sunnies. So stick that right on the top, and this is how everything fits. And then once you close it, there we go. So there's like no bulging or anything. And you guys saw, like, I literally put everything that I needed for the day, plus some. I don't always bring my sunglasses, and I don't always bring my headphones, but I just wanted to show you guys, because I know a lot of people bring their AirPods with them, so I just wanted to show that they will definitely fit in here. But yeah, this is what it looks like after putting everything in there, and it's ready for you to take it out for the day. I just wanted to show you on how much you can actually fit, because before I was going to purchase the bag, I wanted to see how much you can actually fit, and there's not too many videos on YouTube on what's in my bag for this bag, so I just wanted to show you guys how much you can actually fit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Go follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name on the screen somewhere. And if you have any recommendations on videos, put them down in the comments. And I also wanted to thank you guys for all your sweet comments on my last video. They were amazing and they made my day. And I just missed you guys so much. And literally your comments just make my day every day and just motivate me to keep going and everything. So I really greatly appreciate that, and I'm so excited to be back and do more videos for you guys. So I hope you have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.